What is clean energy going to cost? Can we really afford it? The answer is a resounding yes. We now know that it's cheaper to power our world with clean energy than it is to keep emitting climate pollution. Replacing fossil fuels quickly with clean energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower could save world economies up to $12 trillion by 2050.
Clean energy's favorable economics aren't based on simulations or projections. They're happening across the world right now. Over the past decade, the cost of wind power has fallen by 63%. Solar fell by 87%. Batteries that store electricity and that power electric vehicles are down 90%. These are now the cheapest form of electricity in most of the world. We're beginning to see the same cost dynamics play out with heat pumps, electrolyzers, and other clean energy technologies.
A concept called learning curves is driving these trends. As we build more clean energy, we learn how to do it cheaper. And the faster we go, the more we save. This new economic reality means policymakers shouldn't slow down or hit pause on climate plans in the face of inflation, supply chain constraints, or high interest rates. Instead, policymakers should be increasing their climate ambition. Because if you're acting on climate today, you're creating a cleaner, cheaper, better energy system for tomorrow. Climate inaction could cost $178 trillion over the next 50 years and create an unlivable planet for our children.
An ambitious clean energy strategy isn't just about climate. Scaling up clean energy provides a generational job creation opportunity that will spur enormous local investment. The skill set we need is huge. Electricians, engineers, wind and solar installers, welders, vessel crews, and dozens of other occupations are all needed in the clean energy transition. It's also an investment in our collective health and energy security. Replacing polluting technologies with clean alternatives will reduce asthma attacks while making us less dependent on authoritarian petrostates. We're in the middle of a great geopolitical reshuffling, thanks in part to the new economics of clean energy. The countries and companies that win will be the ones that invest in clean energy innovation, manufacturing, and exports. Countries can pull ahead in this race by passing proactive policy to get ahead of this clear global trend. It's not partisan, it's practical, and it's where the world is going.
If it's cheaper to clean things up than it is to keep polluting, then what are we waiting for? Let's be more ambitious and let's work faster toward a clean energy future.